Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What's your name?
I'm Praveen Kumar.
Yeah. Can I have your resume?
Yeah, please.
Okay, Praveen Kumar. Can you introduce yourself?
Yes. Good afternoon. First of all, I'm very glad to introduce myself to you, ma'am. I'm Praveen Kumar. I'm born and raised in Dornagal. I did my graduation in BSc Computer Science as a mainstream in previously degree and PG college with a percentage of 66.5 percentage, and I completed my intermediate in Sri Chaitanya Junior College with a percentage of 85 percentage, and I completed my schooling in Krishnavani High School Dornagal with a percentage of 80. Coming to my family, we are 5 members: father, mother, younger brother, elder brother, and me. My father is a farmer. My mother is a farmer as well as homemaker. My short-term goal is to get a job in IT sector company like yours, and my long-term goal is to be in a respectable position where I can work. And my hobbies are listening music, watching and playing cricket, and traveling.
Okay. You have complete knowledge in manual and automation.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can I ask with Java?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Can you explain about OOPS concept?
Yeah, OOPS. OOPS in the sense object-oriented programming language or methodology. It has a different stages like inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation, and inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstraction. And inheritance in the sense acquiring the properties from parent class to parent class to child class or super class to subclass is called as inheritance. Here inheritance, we have the different types like single level inheritance and multi-level inheritance and multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and hybrid inheritance. Single level inheritance in the sense acquiring the properties from one parent to one child is called a single level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance in the sense acquiring the properties from parent class to child class in different levels. In the different levels means we can acquiring the properties from supermost parent to parent and parent to child. We are acquiring that like this, ma'am. And hi- hierarchical inheritance in the sense acquiring the properties from one parent to multiple child classes in the same level is called as hierarchical inheritance. And multiple inheritance in the sense acquiring the properties from two parent classes or multiple parent classes to single child class is called as multiple inheritance. It is not possible due because of ambiguity problem and a diamond structure problem and constructor chaining problem. And hybrid inheritance, it is a combination of any two inheritances, is called as a hybrid inheritance. And hybrid inheritance is sometimes it is possible and sometimes it is not possible. Where when it is possible in the sense when we are connecting single level inheritance and multi level inheritance like this, it is possible. If it is not possible, it is not possible when it is not possible in the sense when we are connecting with any inheritance, any type of inheritance with multiple level inheritance, it is not possible.
Okay.
And abstraction, the process of hiding internal details and showing the necessary data to the end user is called as abstraction. We have the different types of abstractions. um, uh, a concrete class and concrete methods, and concrete abstract class and abstract methods. Abstract class contains at least one abstract method is then only it will be defined as abstract class. And abstract method does not have a body, and it should end with a semicolon at the end. And we have to define a abstract keyword in the starting. And concrete class, a class which has concrete methods in the sense a method with a body or implementation is called as concrete method. And encapsulation, the process of wrapping data members and member functions into a single unit is called as encapsulation. We are using encapsulation for mostly for security purpose. And coming to polymorphism thing, one thing showing multiple behavior is called as polymorphism. Polymorphisms are divided into two types: runtime polymorphism and compile time polymorphism. During execution time, one thing showing multiple behavior is called as runtime polymorphism. Example is method overriding. And compile time polymorphism, during compilation time, one thing showing multiple behavior is called as compile time polymorphism. Example is method overloading.
Explain about white box testing and black box testing.
Yeah, white box testing is also known as unit box testing, and here developer will test the each and every line of a program to reduce the bug count before giving the testing tape. And here we will check the path testing and conditional testing and loop testing also.
Okay. Can you explain about path testing?
The path testing in the sense here developer will divide the individual paths, and he will check the it will correctly navigate to the next path or not. Here we will check the path testing. And coming to black box testing, here we it will be done by the test engineers. And in black box testing there are different types like functional testing, integration testing, system testing, acceptance testing, and regression testing, ad hoc testing, smoke testing, reliable testing, recovery testing, and globalization testing, and so on. And
Okay. Can you explain about regression testing?
regression testing in the sense testing the unchanged and unmodified functionalities of the application because of code to make sure the application is not breakable because of code changes in the application, like fixing the defects, adding the modules, etc.
Okay. Can you explain about form class?
Form in the sense page object model. Here we will here we can define a here we will store the inspection locators into the at the rate find annotation. And after that we have to create a public constructor for initialization purpose. And inside that we have to declare a web driver. And inside that constructor we have to define a page factory class and a static method init elements.
Can you explain about the agile model?
Agile model. Agile, it is a step-by-step processor, and it is a step-by-step and standard procedure to develop a new software. And it has a different methodologies like Scrum methodology, FDD, feature-driven development, XP, extreme programming, and crystal clear, lean and Kanban, adaptive software development methodology, dynamic software development methodologies.
Okay. Can you explain about dynamic methodology?
Sorry for I know about the Scrum methodologies. I don't know about the for a in real time we are using only Scrum methodologies. For remaining six are we are not using in this.
Okay. Can you explain about the XPath?
XPath. XPath is the most popular locator present in a by class, and here it is the most unique locator because other locators will start searching its operation from DOM structure, and it is search its operation from a dynamic HTML. And here we have two types of XPath, absolute XPath and relative XPath. And absolute XPath we can declare a single slash. We are in real time we are not going to use absolute XPath. And relative XPath divided into two types: basic relative XPath and advanced relative XPath.
Okay. Can you explain about the inspection methods?
Inspection methods in the sense they are locators. They are present in a by class, and they are static methods like ID, name, class name, CSS selector, XPath, link test, partial link test, tag name.
Can you explain about multiple elements?
Sorry, multiple
Elements.
multiple elements. Multiple elements. Sorry, I didn't get it.
Okay. Can you explain about WebDriver abstract methods?
Yeah, WebDriver abstracts. In a WebDriver interface, we have 11 methods only, like get, which is used to access the web application, and next get title. It is used to fetch the title of the web page. And get page source. It is used to fetch the source code of the web page. And next get current URL. And next get type sorry get window handle and get window handles. Then manage, then switch to method, and navigation methods.
Okay. Can you explain about the data types?
Data types. uh, Data types are used to give the to identify, to give the value in particular. Like we have different types of data types, like in integer sorry byte, byte short int long boolean and character and float double.
Okay. Can you explain about exception handling?
Exception handling. Exception in the sense abnormal statement in a program due to which program terminates abnormally. We can handle exception by using try and catch blocks.
Can you explain about operators?
Operators. Operators are operators. We have different types of operators like assignment operators and comparison operators and relational operators, logical operators, and increment operator and decrement operator, and concatenation. Uh, in assignment operator, in the sense we can assign the value from a variable from left to right, from right to left. In the sense, right value will be assigned into left side variable, and comparison in the sense we can use it for any two values for comparison purpose, and it will be defined as a double equals to. And then relational operators, we have a relational operators less than, greater than, less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, and not equals to. And next, increment, it will in increment we have two types: post increment and pre increment. Pre increment in the sense it will increase the value uh, before came to next step, and post increment in the sense it will increase the value for after a, after entering the after entering the any loop or in the sense. And decrement, it will decrease the value by one. And that's it.